been?
I've been busy with work.
We missed you.
Okay.
We missed you!
No, I missed you too.
Okay, so today the video that we're doing is boyfriend buys girlfriend's outfits. So this is a tag that has been going around quite a lot on YouTube. I saw it on LaurDIY and I's channel and one of my new favorite YouTubers, Sarah Bets. So I really wanted to do it over here as well because I thought it was really fun. So I managed to convince Mohak to come and film this video with me.
We went to Sarojini Nagar and I was supposed to buy 3 outfits for her.
The first one is something that Mohak thinks will look good on me. The second one is my style and the third one is just any kind of outfit.
Although I did not stick to those rules. Because rules are not for me.
Yeah, I will play this 3 times. Okay. Yeah.
Rules are not for me.
Yeah.
Rules are not for me.
Mohak took so much time over there. He took 2 hours. He didn't buy anything for the first 1 hour. I was dripping in sweat and was
So was I, but I wanted to buy something nice. Not just anything. There are millions of things to choose from.
So I'm gonna put some footage of the shopping here.
There you go.
Nice.
That's so nice.
Sarojini Nagar है ये. कपड़े कहाँ हैं? Where are the clothes? This is your style. Want a glass? I'll get lost here. Oh, I found a Dincha Puja cap for you. Trending.
I कुछ तो ले ले please.
बता रहा हूँ इन्हें आ जाएगा. हाँ? नहीं, इस आधे में घुस जाएंगे. आधे में तो हो जाएगा. आधे में आ जाएगा. Okay, so I had a budget of 2,000 bucks and I did a great job. I ended up saving around 700 or 800 bucks.
Really?
I ended up saving 500,
Whoa.
600.
Because he didn't buy anything. He was just
What?
rolling around.
I bought 3 outfits with earrings and everything, and I bought jutis also. 3 outfits in 1,300 bucks.
Mohak, I think you should take over my channel now.
I
It's
should,
yours.
and I should always go buy stuff from Sarojini.
Let's start with the first outfit.
I'm gonna start off with the stuff that I think you should probably like, which is basically your style.
So this is Sejal style.
Everything I bought was for less than 200. The maximum I paid for anything at all was 250 bucks. So
Whoa.
you can guess, everything was basically around that. This is what I bought.
Okay, yeah, I like this. Also, Mohak cheated a lot.
No, I
liked
didn't.
him a lot.
You didn't help me. You just
I
told me.
did.
You just told me
I would
where.
point him to the right direction and tell him I like that.
She would only tell me the shop, and then the shop would have like hundreds of things. So I still had to choose for my own self. You are supposed to pair it with this skirt.
Okay, cool. This also I helped Mohak get
No,
me cheated
no.
because we're best friends and I really
What
like Mohak.
bullshit. I saw this right there and I liked it.
Cool. Okay, huh, this is nice because I kind of like made you buy it, but
Yes.
I like it. It's good. Iske saath you got earrings also, what?
Yes, I did. I'll have to look for them.
No, those are hormones. Oh, nice. I like. Okay, I really like this. It's really nice. Also because I chose this skirt. Okay.
Dude, I saw the skirt. I thought it was looking really nice, but then I thought it's going to be uncomfortable. You were the one who told me,
No, it's
okay,
actually
from
not
now onwards.
uncomfortable. See, I can do things like this. It's actually really
That's
stretchy.
fine, but the material is still weird
No, it's
on your
nice.
skin.
And I like the earrings, the blue that it goes with this blue, so it's nice. Good.
That's green, by the way.
This is what?
This is my style. It's things that I would like on you.
Okay, so Mohak has the most boring style ever on the planet. He wears plain things, very boring things. And if I ever tell him कि थोड़ा सा कुछ पहन ले interesting, he'll never, ever.
I have a reason behind that. I like comfortable clothing. That's my style. Comfort is my style. And that is why I ended up
So
buying
even
this
I like
outfit.
comfortable clothes.
No,
with me.
you don't. This skirt is not going to be comfortable ever. It's some really weird material that
तो तू नहीं
doesn't.
खरीदा है.
Yeah, but I bought it because I knew you would like it. Sejal, I bought it for you. Okay, so I went for this t-shirt, which is 100% cotton, best material ever, and so plain and nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and you are gonna pair this with these really soft pants. Although we have to iron these, and they look a lot better than.
This is ये बिल्कुल मोहक का style है. With this, I mean it's cool, but it's
Kind of like what?
थोड़ा सा
Nice, the
boring
best.
है. थोड़ा सा boring है.
No, it's elegant and simple and very comfortable.
You sound like one of those.
Best
वो जो
best outfit ever.
वो जो आते हैं ना sky shop वाले. This is the best material. It's cotton.
It is.
The smoothest material ever. खरीदिए.
Did we end up buying another pair of earrings? You didn't make me buy those earrings.
I'm not supposed to have.
But I
this
told you I
challenge.
wanted grey earrings. You pointed out towards such cheap looking earrings and you
But
wanted me to buy those.
that's what Sarojini had. What can I do?
No, I'm pretty sure Sarojini would have had better stuff.
I don't know. I like the previous one better.
That's because that was your style and you're more comfortable in it. But this is my thing.
Also, but okay, I'll give it to you. This is really comfortable. I can do like anything in
The
this.
t-shirt is so nice.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. But I think this is like a 6 out of 10.
What? No, wait, you're not wearing it right.
I am wearing it
No,
right.
wait.
No, this is how you wear a t-shirt, Mohan.
No.
How else? ऐसे सिर्फ
Wait,
क्यों
not that.
पहनूं?
I think it's beautiful. What are you saying?
Okay, 6 out of 10, Mohan. Sorry.
Third outfit. I did not end up completing this outfit because I felt to complete this shirt we needed blue denim shorts, and she already had like around 50 of those, so I decided that I'm gonna go back home and just pick one of those and pair it up with that.
Okay,
So-
this is cool.
Such nice colors. You won't have anything like this. So these are the shorts.
Okay, cool. ये तो मतलब आधा मेरा ही है. Now I know why you saved so much money, Mohak.
Wow, looks cool.
Actually, I don't know. This shirt is nice, but it's kind of.
It's nice.
And you know these shorts, these stupid Forever 21 shorts shrunk, so they don't fit me anymore.
Probably change the short, but
shorts
the
are-
shirt is really nice.
But
It's a very different color and
Yeah.
the material is really soft again and very comfortable.
But ये थोड़ा पुराना लग रहा है. It looks a little old.
That's the style.
That's.
You have you ever seen any of my clothes? They're all very old. From 8
Remember what I said? That's Mohak's style.
Yeah.
But I give this outfit 4.5 out of.
And what about the first outfit?
First
10?
one is
10 on 10.
Yeah, 9, 8, 9, 8 or 9.
Oh.
Second one 6 and
That's only
four.
because you think that's your style.
No, but like this, I mean, this short is kind of overlooking. That's why. But anyway, good effort, Mohan. Good effort. This was nice. Good effort. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you want Mohak to be in more videos, give this video a thumbs up and also comment below. And Mohak, come back soon. Don't take such a long break. We missed you. Every time missed you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And that's it. See you guys next time.
Bye.